webinars, VSL, and lead magnet. This is very important. You can organize webinars. Nobody's doing it. Very few persons, realtors are doing it in Nigeria. So if you can do this, in fact, I'm looking for somebody that will work together and then you'll be able to do monthly webinars. Very, very powerful. Just 30 minutes, 1 hour, running ads to the webinars, and you'll be good to go. How to build a 500 million naira property portfolio in 3 years. That's the webinar. Rich webinar. It's people who have deep pockets. So when they are registering, you capture their name, you ask them qualifying data, so that the people that will land in the webinar, even if it's only 5 people, 10 people, you make sure they make sense. They know, they get money. Now demonstrate that you are trustworthy, you are an authority. This is very important. So I know at least 2 top selling realtors in Nigeria. This is what they do. Low key. You have not been seeing their ads because they are not targeting you, right? So they just do low key. Sometimes the webinars will just be only 13 HNI, right? But it's so powerful. Then you can do VSL. VSL can be like 10-20 minutes video where you sit down and talk. Maybe you want to talk about agri business, right? I don't know. Maybe your agri real estate has packages that is worth 100 million naira, or whatever investment package that is worth 100 million naira. Yes, you can now sit down, make a VSL, a horizontal 10-20 minutes, breaking down the business model, the problem, the business models, the investment model of vehicles solve, the process to do it, right? The prices and everything. You can just do that, and then you can decide to run ads to it. You can decide to share with people that you know, diaspora and all of this kind of thing. And if you do that and you start collecting their data, it is so powerful. At the end of the video, you can say, okay, I'm organizing, I'm curating. See the words I'm using. I'm curating an intel list, update list, where I have top players, high net worth individuals, and every month I will send you updates about Nigerian real estate. They will join. They will join. So now you are curating it, but in your mind, it's a WhatsApp list and all of those stuff. So your VSL will drive traffic, attract them, you collect their data, and you'll be good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have hit your 10. This is very, very important. So you can even use lead magnets like PDF and all of those stuff, and just create like, okay, 100 million naira property buyer's guide, that. And you can do all of this. Diaspora buyers checklist. 15 due diligence steps before you wire 100 million naira to Nigeria. Run the ads targeting them, and you're good to go. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. You have hit your 10, and you're good to go, right? So this is another method you can use to hit your high net worth individuals.